success get plenty pikin, they get plenty family, na wetin people dey talk, and there's no how where success dey take dey flow. You say you go dey feel the breeze of success. As we dey here so, we be successful people because me go, I be successful guy, I be successful G, I be successful nigga. No be only me dey here to share the success story give una. Una know as e dey be now. We are the success team. Ope, how e dey be?
Yes, so no be only am waka come celebrate the success. Even me as na dey see me so, my name don change to success.
Me say your name don change to success, my name say how to become a success.
You too like to dey follow.
No be who first cause success for you?
Dey your lane, ma dey my lane.
Wait, who first cause success for you?
Dey your lane. No be person wey first reach police dey.
No.
No
dey talk like that though. Me say na Square na will be today. Success dey everywhere. No because one wan share the success with you. One person, the successful man, who be this person? He collect world best. When I say world best, this person collect world best. Who be this person wey collect world best? You say, for how many years nobody don ever collect am? He come break that record. Who be this person? Oliver Giroud.
I don tell you, baby.
Oliver Giroud.
You dey form my hand. Upon all the tutorial wey I dey give you, no be Oliver, na Olivier Giroud.
For the spelling,
Giroud.
Where is he VA?
No, na French.
Which
after
French?
now you go say you learn Spanish, you learn French, you learn Dutch,
No,
you learn this one, you learn that one.
The only people wey go hear VA for their language na people wey come from Yoruba or Benin. You go hear VA.
Even you know say Giroud, him papa na from Warri.
I wan talk am because that VA, but Oliver that I know.
Na wetin make am carry word best na because you know Warri dey carry
last. You mean say Olivier abi?
Yes.
Olivier Opopomo where you win world best. When we say world best, now world best goal now they talk now Olivier Giroud now win the best goal of the season for 2016.
The one wey they call Puskas.
No be Puskas. Bukas award. You know, I was saying the thing.
As I correct you, you want do your own back.
Yes, it is called
Bukas. 1-1.
Yeah, you don't feel with me. You don't forget. You know, go see that award. They put her inside show glass like this. Now go see her. Now show glass. Now only you collect the. You know, now show glass they be now. Now so the award be. Waiting be the why they give them. They say in score what they call Scorpion Go. Scorpion Go. Now in score. Now so they collect world best. If I tell you say they don't actually they don't choose and don't choose they don't kick out. Because wetin happen the last time wey dem call Arsenal player for any FIFA award na 2006 and who be that person?
Na you dey know everything. Who be the person? No dey shine see.
Tell me say you know that.
Na you get the matter.
The last page the only person wey dey don come last for that time 2006 2007 na who? Thierry
Henry.
Thierry Henry.
I dey teach you French now. Use your head though.
You speak French with me?
Before uncle.
Okay, wetin be salapa?
Na you sabi that one.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
He concern you.
Encore.
On your own.
Répétez. You can see she don't even sabi speak French. Na so Oliver Giroud don break record for Arsenal.
I dey correct you. I dey try for your matter.
Olivier Giroud. No. Giroud, you collect world best. Na better thing. But wetin come dey say for where person dey do better, na dey go see one person go dey use eye kpakokpako like that way one point go say your success no dey happy am. One man come outside during him own time when people dey celebrate and dey happy for am. People dey know say some mago do for wetin he do. Una no forget 1986 this man score one goal dey call am hand of God.
Nobody don score
am before. Even though one player try and collect red card PK for back and he say he wan copy.
Even Suarez try am, he collect card.
But this man na God give am that hand. But this man come talk something. He say he no happy. I wan ask you one question, Okpe. Na crime make person do well?
Na bad belle. You know wetin dem dey call bad belle? Na him dey worry Maradona for your own time. People celebrate you even though mago dey. But I come see this boy, he dey do well. He score. Anyway, any which way is the way. No dey cut me short when I talk. Few words you slap. I dey talk, I dey.
I don't need to cut you short.
I dey make our people that dey enjoy me. You just come. You just come. Sit down for where they collect their award. They shy, they chook eye. He say no happy. He no happy say
Ororo, my brother.
Shey you know say Ororo no be cool dog.
No, la. Ororo no dey fail. They say Oba no dey go transfer. He don collect am again. Enemies. You know they see him. Now back to back. Nobody. You know that guy they shine. His skin be like now person just cross leg. Now say they be shy. They say our prayer be say let
which leg in cross?
In cross leg.
No, behind in hand in cross. You know say they like this. Behind hand.
You can cross hand. But then they talk say for where person dey now say you always they do and they go. That's why they say one prayer they say let my enemy live long. So that what they will see what I will become in future. Now Ronaldo take proof to the world again. I think they collect the world. Una don't know the news. I don't need to tell Una again. He don't collect them back to back 5 times. Anything. Una know wetin make them give am. But this world best so they see the past. Then be this Oliver Giroud don. Now so it be. Now so it go be very soon too. Our own player too go soon collect world best.
Yes, even the headmaster talk am. Mutiu Adepoju say he know, say he believe, say he get faith. Say one day, say Nigeria player go collect am.
Na still dey Joshua give am that professor.
Even me I dey pray but make dem collect am when I dey alive. No be when I don go 6 feet under the ground.
Wetin you mean?
Because he say that one dey fit be in 100 years time.
And Finidi George collect best 7 in the world now before. Finidi George don collect. Uche our defender number 6 wey dey wear that big Uche him collect best 6 na him make FIFA best 11. Finidi George don make best 11. I know say almighty players see dey say nobody don break a record na know what I mean na. Uncle Jeje Okoya so I know wetin he mean. If he say what best. They say one person don break record though. I won't be the person wey break record. Kelechi Iheanacho clap for am now.
Which record?
In score.
Na Guinness Book of Record.
Na easy. Clap for am now. Say you say you wan talk to enemy of progress.
No, I just dey. Sometimes you go just bia na overfeeding dey worry you. Abi the toothpaste wey dey use, they just jam down from America. You just dey go dey open your teeth anyhow. Wetin that on me? Wetin e mean? It's called go answer. When mate don dey bang 10, 20, don the person score 1 since season begin. He dey.
Na chop say dey watch wetin dey happen here. See, you know say they say sometimes they say enemies no dey show face. Now one enemy be
no be enemies matter.
You are enemies.
No be enemies matter.
You are enemies.
He score 1 goal.
He make 1 assist join. 1 goal 1 assist.
Na you sabi.
I dey like make person talk something. He said I will score and he has scored. He has made assist. Iheanacho God bless you. As e dey so now World Cup don show say mean say na he go be our top 9 because as e dey so now friendly day wey dey come up una know na Argentina and Nigeria dey wan play friendly and Messi, Di Maria they say they dey come they wan play that friendly. Na Russia we go play am when I do say.
See unique nothing dey happen. Yes, nothing dey. Messi dem no go see him boot. Nothing dey happen. You know we get Oyibo now. Oyibo 5 and 6. Oyibo dey kampe. Nothing that Messi if you like make 2 Messi dey make dem enter their self. Di Maria dey make dem enter their self. Nothing.
Eyama talk am na 2 goals in trouble.
This time around dem no go see one sef.
Eyama talk am na 2 goals.
Dem no go see one. You know wetin who dey for go? Ezenwa. No, you know wetin dem dey call Eze? King of Pikin. Nwa na Pikin.
Yeah, he say na kick Pikin. Say that one wey dey fly butterfly. You know many inch for Wafu Cup.
Messi will be merciless. If you like make dem enter their 2 make dem. It's nothing.
Now on top TV they see Messi.
If ever dem draw am, make stretch.
I get one news I wan give you now, and I go first talk and I know as they all dey be. They say Nigerians wey dey go Russia, they no dey go because of World Cup.
Why they go?
They dey find person.
They dey find Mike.
They dey find person.
Okay, they look for their in-law from Russia.
I no go tell una wetin they go do for Russia until when we do the next program for una again. But don tell una when I dey share this program, they like am back to back. As e dey so, my name na too unique and my co-presenter na who?
Opeyemi.
So if I no even punch you, no go talk.
Shut up.